Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Graphydo review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this offer called Graphydo. So this is the Graphydo review, and right now we are on a sales page and then we have the demo video. So let's start with the sales page. It says here, kickstart your own profitable social media agency and tap into this much billion market right from your home. The world's #1 social media agency toolkit for unlimited clients in 33 plus hot business niches with 2700 plus highly engaging done for you templates. No technical skill set required, no age barrier, no design skill needed, no monthly fee. Tap into huge this much, this and that. Create elegant post for any business in less than 20 seconds with ease, 100% ready to use, no need to create any design from scratch. Well, yeah, on the website, they're talking too much. In simple words, you will be getting access to some templates, some social media images, videos, which you can use in your social media marketing. So if you have some clients for which you manage their, social media accounts, then you can use these templates. There are many. And further, let me play this video so that you can watch this video for a couple of minutes. I have muted the sound, but I will play the video for you. So they will be wasting time here. I want to show you the actual software inside. I don't want to waste your time. So these are those templates. This is the dashboard of Graphydo, and you will have these sort of templates you can see, and then these templates will directly open in Canva. You can edit them with Canva, and you can see here captions. So yeah, you will find this video on the sales page itself. So if you visit the sales page, you might find the link below my YouTube video. So these are those designs. Again, they are categorized like Pinterest designs. You can see here. So they're saying you can go and use these images on your fiverr.com or freelancer.com accounts as well. You can become some freelancer, and you can they will also give you this pre-written script which you can use in your profile to create your gigs. Okay, so they're saying you can go and create your gig, use the inbuilt material, the script to optimize your profile. And I think this demo is done. There's nothing else to see here now. So there was only like maybe 40 seconds inside the dashboard they have shown you. That's it. So let's get back here. Anything else do we have? So you can take a look at everything on the sales page itself. The code here is Graphydo 10. This will give you extra 10% discount. Remember, it's 10%, not $10. So Graphydo will give you 10% discount. So if it's for $20, then you will get the $2 off. Okay. So vice versa, these are some testimonials. I don't really believe on testimonials anyway. So screenshot showing that you can become some kind of social media manager. So as long your profile ranks, as long you know what you're doing, you're most welcome to buy this. And so either become some freelancer or just go and find some clients online, offline. I don't really care. And so they're talking about these templates only. So just expect one thing here, nothing, no miracles gonna happen. You will not make any money with this if you are a newbie. Okay, if you're a beginner, you are thinking about doing something online so that you can make some money with it, this is not it. Don't do this if you're a beginner. Okay, I mean, don't buy this, right? Because this is only for people who are actually into designing, into editing those images, and maybe working for themselves, working for their own project, or working on their client's project, and they need more and more images every day. So let's say you're managing 10 social media accounts, 10 Instagram accounts, then you need new images for all those 10 accounts every single day, right? So you can use this offer to post on your client's social media accounts, I guess. And we have some otos here. So what is this Graphydo? This Graphydo is all-in-one social media toolkit that includes 3,000 plus highly engaging, creative, and breathtaking done for you fully. Editable templates, proposals, outreach emails, clients, contract, client briefings, agency worksheet. How can I edit my templates? You will go to Canva. Can anyone buy Graphydo? Yes. Does it work in the free version of Canva? Yes. Do I need to pay monthly fees? No. Is there a money back guarantee? Refund policy? Well, they say they have 14 days of money back guarantee in case there's an issue with the product which they cannot solve. So in other words, there's no refund. Okay, only buy this if you want this, otherwise do not buy. How will I receive my material? So you will get the login access into your email account. What is the format of the designs that are offered in Graphydo? Are Instagram format 1080 and can be resized for any social media format, so they can be changed. Okay, what licenses are included in my purchase? You will get commercial license, which means that you can use it to make I guess videos for your customer or clients too, or design images for them as well. So you know it can be used for your clients projects. Do I need to download heavy files? No. Do you have upgrades? Yes, they do. Do I need to have any kind of design skills? No, not at all. Okay, so it's simple as simple. Okay, yep. Why to make it complicated? It's simple as simple. And let's talk about the price here. The price is $25 for now, because this might increase. So I don't know when you're watching the video, it might be increasing. It looks like it's on a time sale. So you may find the link of this sales page below my YouTube video somewhere here. So click on this and you will find all the link. It will be saying somewhere here, grab Graphydo, copy here, click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page and then you can buy if you want to. Now we'll show you the OTO. So this is front end and this is OTO 1. So check the features here. These are all the features. This is what you will be getting in front end, and on the right side you have OTO 1. Then we have OTO 2 and 3. Okay, so these are the OTO 2 and 3. And I guess you need to know the pricing of the OTOs, I guess. They don't show here. So OTO 1 is not showing, is it? Yeah, it's showing here. So OTO 1 is for 37, OTO 2 is for 67, OTO 3 is for 197. And by the way, when you buy the front end, after using the coupon, I guess it will be for 22.5. Okay. So yes, after buying the front end, you will be taken through all these relevant OTO sales pages. Check whatever you need and you can skip all the OTOs which you don't need. Okay. I guess that's it. So this was all about Graphydo. Graphydo, as the name says, it's all about graphics, templates, images, social media marketing, agency. You need to know what you're doing. If you are a freelancer and you get clients every now and then, you can include this as an extra service into your profile. Or if you are some digital marketing agency and you're running out of some graphics, then go and buy this. If you're a hardcore newbie, this is not for you. For hardcore newbies, you can probably make money by simplifying things. And look at me. You can't look at me actually. You can't see me in the video because I am not on the camera, and I think it's fair. Okay, because if somebody is watching YouTube video, they don't have to come on the camera. For example, to watch my video, you do not have to come on the camera. Then for me to talk to you, why do I have to come on the camera? It's not fair, is it? So it works both ways, and it's your wish. I mean, it's my wish. If I wish to come on the camera, I will. Otherwise, I can record my voice and I can record these YouTube videos and you can hear my voice. It has to be fair, I guess, somewhere, you know. Either you start coming on the camera and then YouTubers, you know, will come on the camera too. But it works, you know, it depends what the people think behind making the videos. For example, me, I have to make so many videos, so I don't have time to come on the camera as of now. And what else do we have? So if you are a newbie, okay, as a newbie, you can actually do what I do. You can, you know, record these kind of YouTube videos without even coming on the camera. That's a choice, okay? So you can record these kind of YouTube videos like me, and you don't have to come on the camera if you don't want to. And these videos will make you money, okay? So for example, when you are watching this YouTube video has made me some money already, whether you buy this Graphydo from me or not. Because when you are watching my YouTube video, you might have seen some advertisements in this video, and those advertisements make me some money, okay? So this is what I do on daily basis. I make these videos, people watch my videos, people see those ads, and that is how I make my money on YouTube. You can check this first link below my YouTube video here. It says, make money with traffic Jarvis, okay? So once you go on this link, in the end, it will show you how much money I have made by just uploading videos and how much you can potentially make, okay? And there's one more method you can use to make money online, that will be email marketing. So in affiliate marketing, there are only two ways to make money online: YouTube plus email marketing. Check out those two options here once you get the link. And before we talk about all these links, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button or dislike, whatever you like. So hit the subscribe button, like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute to this channel, then click on the super thanks button and leave your colorful question and comments. However, subscribe is free, like is free, dislike is free, button is free. All these buttons are for you people. I hope you understand, okay? As a YouTuber, I cannot subscribe to my own channel. So these buttons are for you people to press. Use your thumb, middle finger, little finger, any finger you like, okay? Click on these buttons, subscribe and like. It's all free. And Graphydo is something which you can buy if you have the need. You will probably find the link below my video. Otherwise, wait for 24 hours, okay? In the end, let's talk about these links. Before that, I would say these are the offers for people who need some social media templates, okay? However, if you only want to make money online, then you have to work manually, okay? So just go and do whatever it takes. Guys, on this note, I would end this video. Before that, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale, okay? So if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200. every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.